Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? In today's digital age, this is not only possible, but it's also simpler than you might think. This video is your step-by-step guide to launching your own online venture. No previous experience required. We'll take you through the process, from refining your idea to marketing your product or service. This is about taking control of your financial future, and it all begins here. So, stay tuned if you're ready to embark on a journey to entrepreneurship. Every great business starts with a fantastic idea. And when it comes to starting an online business, the concept holds true. A unique, innovative idea is your ticket to success. It's the spark that lights the entrepreneurial flame, the seed that grows into a thriving online venture. But how do you come up with this idea? Start by identifying a problem that needs a solution. Look for gaps in the market. Listen to what people are saying. What are they struggling with? What do they wish they had? Your idea should be an answer to these questions. Next, refine your idea. Make it specific, actionable, and realistic. Test it, tweak it, and perfect it. Remember, an idea is only as good as its execution. So think big, but also think practical. In the end, the magic happens when your idea meets the world's needs. So the first step is to brainstorm and finalize your business idea. Once you have your idea, it's time to conduct some market research. Now, you might be wondering, why is market research so essential? Well, simply put, market research is like a compass. It guides you in the right direction, helping you understand the landscape of the market you're entering. Think about it. How will you know if your idea is viable if you don't understand the market? How will you know who your customers are? What they want? What they need, how they behave? The answers to all these questions lie in market research. Conducting market research is like going on a treasure hunt. You're searching for valuable information that can help shape your business, your products, and your strategies. It involves a careful examination of the competition and a deep dive into understanding your target audience. Let's talk about examining the competition first. It's not about copying what they're doing, but rather understanding what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and identifying opportunities for you to do better. Look at their products, their pricing, their marketing strategies. What can you learn from them? How can your product stand out in the crowd? Next, let's move on to your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs, their wants, their pain points? Are they young or old? Tech savvy or not? High income or low income? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your product or service to their needs, ultimately leading to satisfied customers and a successful business. But remember, market research isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. The market changes, trends come and go, and consumer behaviors evolve. So, keep your finger on the pulse and stay updated. In conclusion, market research is the foundation upon which you build your online business. It's like the groundwork before constructing a building. You wouldn't start building without first preparing the ground, would you? The same applies to your business. With enough research, you'll be able to understand your market and your competition better. So get your detective hat on and start digging deep into the world of your market. Happy researching! A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success. It's not just a document, but a strategic tool that outlines your vision, the direction you want your business to take, and the steps to get there. Creating a business plan might seem like a daunting task, but it's essential for any successful business. It's the backbone of your venture, providing structure and a sense of direction. Without it, you're essentially navigating uncharted territory without a compass. So what should be included in a business plan? Firstly, an executive summary. This is a concise overview of your business. Think of it as an elevator pitch. It should clearly state what your business does, what market it serves, and why it's unique. Next, your company description. This is where you delve into the details about your business. What does it do? What problem does it solve? Who are your customers? Then comes the market analysis. You've already done your research, so use it here to demonstrate your understanding of the industry, your target market, and your competition. Show that you understand the market trends and how your business fits into the landscape. Your organization and management structure is next. This section outlines your business's legal structure and management team. Who are the key players? What are their roles and responsibilities? Now, let's talk about your product line or services. What are you selling or what service are you providing? How does it benefit your customers? A crucial part of your business plan is the marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? What is your unique selling proposition? The financial projections and funding request follow next. This is where you provide an overview of your financial outlook. If you're seeking funding, you'll need to outline how much you need and how you plan to use it. Lastly, you have the appendix. This is where you can include additional supporting documents like product images, marketing materials, or legal documents. Remember, a business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve as your business grows and changes. Your business plan will guide your decisions and help you stay focused on your goals. It's your ticket to entrepreneurial success. So take your time to craft it thoughtfully and meticulously. Now that you have your plan, it's time to set up your business. Setting up your business involves a few vital steps. First, you need to choose a business name. This might seem simple, but it's important to pick a name that not only reflects your brand, but is also easy to remember. A catchy, unique name can set you apart in the crowded digital marketplace. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to register your business. The process varies depending on your location and the type of business you're starting. But generally, you'll need to register with the appropriate government agency. This could be your local Secretary of State or a national or federal business bureau. This step makes your business a legal entity, and it's crucial for things like taxes and legal protection. After registering your business, you'll need to obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need a general business license, a home occupation permit, or specific professional licenses. It's crucial to research and understand the requirements for your specific business to avoid any legal complications down the line. Next, it's time to set up your website. Your website is your online storefront, so it needs to be professional, user-friendly, and reflective of your brand. You can hire a professional web designer or use a website builder to create your site. Make sure to include essential elements like your product or service descriptions, contact information, and an easy-to-use checkout system. Finally, you'll want to set up your business bank account and accounting system. This separates your personal finances from your business finances and makes tracking your income and expenses easier. It also comes in handy during tax season. Remember, setting up your business is just the beginning. You'll need to continually adapt and evolve as the market changes and as your business grows. With these steps, you've laid the groundwork for your online business. You're almost there. Now it's time to attract customers. Marketing and sales are the lifeblood of any business. It's not enough to simply have a great product or service. If people don't know about it, they can't buy it. So, how do you get the word out? First, you need a marketing strategy. This is your game plan for how you'll find and attract potential customers. You might use digital marketing techniques like search engine optimization and social media advertising, or traditional methods such as print ads and direct mail. The key is to understand your target audience and to reach them where they are. Next, you need a sales strategy. This outlines how you'll convert potential customers into paying ones. This could involve a sales team, an online checkout process, or a combination of both. Whatever your method, make sure it's easy for customers to purchase your product or service. Of course, attracting customers is only half the battle. You also need to retain them. Customer retention strategies can include excellent customer service, a loyalty program, or simply a great product that people want to come back for. And don't forget about analytics. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track your marketing and sales efforts and see what's working and what's not. This allows you to tweak your strategies and get the best return on your investment. Remember, marketing and sales aren't one size fits all. What works for one business might not work for another. So be prepared to experiment, learn, and adjust your strategies as you go. Lastly, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Marketing and sales often require patience and persistence, but with the right strategies and a little grit, you can attract and retain customers who love your product or service. Remember, the success of your business depends on your ability to attract and satisfy your customers. Starting an online business may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. We've covered everything from ideation to market research, from crafting a business plan to setting up your business, and finally, mastering marketing and sales. Now it's your turn to take action. Transform these steps into your roadmap and start your own online venture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.